Heartbroken Liz Hurley put on a brave face today as she filmed an upcoming movie that prevented her from attending ex-Shane Warne's funeral in Australia. The actress, 56, was spotted looking downcast on the London set of the film Christmas in the Caribbean, where she was comforted by her son Damian, who held her hand. 7. Liz appeared downcast during filming breaksCredit, Splash. 7. Liz held hands with her son Damian, who comforted her on setCredit, Splash. 7. Liz shot a scene where she looked surprised by two visitors. Credit, Splash. In between takes for the festive flick, which is filming in the capital before moving to the Caribbean islands of St. Kitts and Nevis, Liz looked understandably somber. She was still dressed as her character Rachel, sporting a glamorous blow-dry and expensive gold jewelry. Liz was seen filming scenes where she answered a seasonally decorated door to two women and looked surprised. But once the camera stopped rolling, she headed with Damian to another location, keeping her sunglasses on. Yesterday Liz revealed she couldn't make the Australian service that was held for the cricket legend as she was stuck working in the UK. She shared old engagement pictures of her and Shane as she broke the news on social media. Liz, who was engaged to Shane for 3 years, revealed she was devastated that she cannot get there in time to say goodbye in person. She also admitted it still hasn't even sunk in that Shane has died. Taking to Instagram, grieving Liz wrote, "My heart aches that I can't be in Australia tomorrow for Shane's funeral. I was filming last night and, with the time jump, physically can't get there." These pictures were taken in Sri Lanka to celebrate our engagement. We had all our children with us and it was the happiest time. Liz added, "It still hasn't really sunk in that he's gone. It seems too cruel that all the people who loved him will never have another lion hug, but our memories will live forever." The star signed off her emotional tribute, "R.I.P. Lionheart, with love your Luna." Shane died of a suspected heart attack at a Thai resort earlier this month, aged 52. There has been an outpour of tributes to the cricketer since his passing, and his family have welcomed some of his former teammates and media colleagues to Sunday's private funeral. Initially, it was expected that Elizabeth, who had a close bond with Shane despite their breakup in 2013, would attend. Following his death, she even reached out to his two daughters with an emotional message. Liz reassured Brooke, 24, and Summer, 20, that Daddy loved them. A state funeral for Shane, meanwhile, will take place at Melbourne Cricket Ground in his hometown of Melbourne, Australia, on March 30th. The massive arena, location of Warne's iconic 700th Test wicket, will host 50,000 fans and celebrities. Australian Prime Minister Scott Morrison will also attend the service. 7. Liz and Damian left the set for another location. Credit, Splash. 7. The actress has looked back on their engagement photographs. Credit, Instagram / Elizabeth Hurley 1. 7. Liz Hurley has shared her sadness at being forced to miss Shane Warne's funeral. Credit, Instagram / Elizabeth Hurley 1. 7. Liz refers to Shane as Lionheart. Credit, Instagram / Elizabeth Hurley 1. We pay for your stories. Do you have a story for the Sun Showbiz team? Email digishowbiz@thesun.co.uk or call us direct on 0207 782 4220. We pay for videos too. Click here to upload yours.